Oh, that's my phone.
Oh, it started.
No set that was behind it. I don't think that was it.
Because it started, okay?
That was not it. It's still. It's 9:57. What's on 3 minutes?
And you'll be exactly on time, Chris.
We saw 3 minutes before 10. I don't think that's it. It would shoot in that orange light if it was in. Oh, I see people around down there on that roof thing. I think they're about to take fire trucks right there.
Yep, it's working. It started.
That's not the real fireworks that you're seeing.
Then what is the real fireworks, bud?
You saw that ones there behind the trees over close to the Burger King.
Not yet.
Okay. Chris, it ain't gonna be exactly spot on time. It's gonna start. Tell me when you see him, Chris.
I'll tell you what when I see what I think is them. I have my phone recording so I can remember this.
Cause I can't even see the light. Well, I think you zoomed it out.
Yeah, but I'm pointing right at the orange light if you can't tell.
Why are you even recording it?
I like to record moments like this. Oh, I think that's them. That's them, Seth.
Yeah?
Bill.
I can tell.
Yeah, that's real. It was 10 o'clock when they started. People enjoy.
But they're loud.
Yeah, the real fireworks. I knew they were shooting from that this time.
They have a delay for sound. Like, the moon does not sync. I remember recording this.
You're recording on your iPad. I remember that.
Yeah, I do remember that. That's the first time I ever recorded anything like that. I still have it saved.
Oh, that's not all. There goes another one.
Oh my, they're gonna do it.
The real one.
Oh.
Oh, sparkly.
How do you even get it to flash like that?
I don't know.
Oh, that was the kind of.
Oh, blue one.
Oh, why is it sound delayed though?
I don't know.
It's very delayed.
Another one. There goes another one.
Look, there.
Look.
See, it's delayed. That's weird. Goes up and then it's delayed. Go up, delayed.
But I'm gonna watch another one. Oh, there goes more.
They mixed two together.
Oh, fire truck.
Oh, guys, I'm looking for more fireworks. What's happening with the music?
We're probably going over there to make sure everything goes according to the script. Look at those, pretty.
I'm surprised.
Oh.
It's like that. I hope they watch like 5 at a time.
Yeah, they do good. They watch. Oh. Oh. What I saw gas.
Because there's somebody revving his motorcycle over there.
I'm about to launch another one. That's gonna be wait. That white light over there on that hill. I see a flashlight. look at the hole actually.
That's a perfect circle.
That would be illegal in Minecraft. Oh, the launcher too. Oh, look at that. It made a smiley face.
I know.
Oh, I like the gold ones.
I like the. Yeah, I like
That was good.
I like the ones where you launch like 5 at a time or so. Oh.
Yeah, I like the finales. Finales where you just put the firework launcher spam. That's funny and hilarious.
Yeah, they control.
Oh, another one.
That's loud.
Yes.
I'm asking, why is it delayed, the boom?
I don't know.
I will.
Why is the boom delayed, Chris?
I don't know.
What the fuck?
Well,
Are you that goddamn stupid? Can't ride a fucking motorcycle?
look, it goes off.
Oh, there we go.
Now it's moving.
I got my phone recording this.
Did you get it from me when I recorded the last one?
Oh, that looks nice actually.
I like the ones where it explodes, then it turns into, then the lead particles turn into gold.
Another perfect circle.
That's illegal.
Okay. The Minecraft police comes. Ow, 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 my arm.
I'm gonna break by glass. Waiting for another big one.
There should be electric any moment because I still see a flashlight.
Oh, does it?
Oh, two more. I see it. I'm still.
They're probably. Oh, they're setting them off. I think.
Wow.
It probably takes a while to set them.
Those are the real ones.
Those are the
Those
good
are the
ones.
real ones.
Those are the good ones. I like the ones that are big.
And they're shooting from where I said they would shoot. I thought I saw the lights of them sitting up over there.
Chris, that one was the shape of a heart. Did you notice that?
Yeah. Oh, my arm. I'm trying to kill. Oh, another one almost missed. And I recorded the entire show.
Chris, do you remember when I did that last time?
Yes, I remember when you were the.
I still have it
No,
on
I'm
video,
kidding, man.
actually. Did you?
Oh, I like that. It was one of them gold ones that me and Mom liked.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh my, that one.
Oh, multiple at once.
3 at a time. That's
3x combo. 2 at a time.
That was going higher in the
That was
sky.
hot. A perfect circle again.
How do they make it explode in perfect hearts or something?
I don't know how they make it explode in perfect shapes.
Like, how do you make it
Oh.
explode at a perfect circle? Or a speed?
Oh. Those are good. Oh.
Those are the most satisfying, where it splits up. Why did you say shush?
No, I said 4th of July special edition.
I thought I said shush.
Nope, I was researching. I said 4th of July special.
What are these?
Phone camera, stop working.
How?
For a moment there, it worked before they shot the next round. Oh. It's working good now. It's not blurred now. It was blurred
Oh,
just a
now
little.
it's blue. Now it's blue. It looks like stars and it goes away.
Oh, they shot multiple at once. I like that.
Oh, this is 5 at once.
Oh.
That was 5. They hit 3 at a time to 2 more.
Oh, that was a perfect heart there for a moment.
That wasn't a heart, Chris. That was a half and half. Half pink and half orange.
Oh, that's a perfect circle again. Oh, what's the color?